I'd like to welcome you all into our community.
I heard a couple stories this morning. I heard one elder say, "This is the first time I've ever been to Muskeg Lake Cree Nation." And I told him, "Welcome to God's country." Right?
Take a look around this gymnasium today and the partners that we have. This is important. Our industry partners. They're actually partners and make investment with respect to the vision that the chiefs have, and that's improving the quality of life for the people that we serve.
We really want to focus on food security. Food security is a big initiative that Nutrien is working on right now.
Our home is your home, so please make yourself at home.
It just wasn't, the president CEO coming in. You had your high-level executives, you had, a multitude of key personnel that came and made a commitment to spend time in the community, to look not only at the fabrics of our community and seeing how we live from a cultural standpoint, but also looking at our governance models.
So you look at Saskatchewan having one of the largest Indigenous populations in Canada as far as the number of people per capita, that this is an opportunity. And I think that's where business has got to see it, as an opportunity.
Diversity inclusion for me is really what embodies my values. And we have a lot of great things going on right now in the province of Saskatchewan. And what we have built as a base with the Saskatoon Tribal Council is absolutely fantastic.
I see the relationship as being one of a win-win. It's truly symbiotic, and I think our relationship with the Aboriginal community can really, really work towards improving global food security.
9 years ago, we had our partnership with Potash Corp. Now we're into a new era of Nutrien. You're going to see the president of Nutrien, Chuck Magro, come here today and continue a new partnership and a renewed partnership in regards to Nutrien.
If we can focus on education, focus on human resource skills, there's going to be more and more opportunity for Indigenous people to fill those roles.
Just step back and look at it. They're a really important part of our workforce, our contractors, our providers, as well as I think what we bring them is a series of course, employment opportunities, but we can also provide education and skills training.
And we're concerned about educating our people to assume higher level opportunities as our companies grow and develop.
Whether you get into a trade or if you go to university, there's going to be so much opportunity in this province. There's many other industry partners now that are looking to Nutrien as a leader and looking at emulating the model that they've created.
Mr. Chuck Magro will be visiting us at 12:30 here, where he'll make his way out to the Veterans Memorial with Chief Wolf. This community has a rich history with respect to their veterans, and certainly that has opened a door.
This is really a first for me to be a guest at the Chief of Assembly, and I'm truly, truly honored to be with you here today.
We are really creating the best that we can create in a partnership with them.
Our purpose is to grow our world from the ground up. We really can accomplish that purpose, that mission, without strong, deep relationships centered on trust, mutual success, and I think that's what we have with our relationship with the Aboriginal community in Saskatchewan.
It's great to see that Nutrien is taking a lead role in working with Indigenous communities to make a difference.